Welcome back to Scotty's Fishing Life. Tips and tricks for every species of fish. And please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so you can go out and catch your next species of fish. And let me know what species you want to see. And please tune in to my other channel, The Hook and the Cook, with my good mate Paul Breheny.
Beautiful, Scott.
That was in the water for like 3 seconds. Just shows you like these little sheltered bays, a little bit of burley, duck away for a little while, come back,
Oh, he's taking you around the
and
snow.
you can have a lot of fun.
You're over there?
Oh, there goers.
Good fish.
Yeah. I might just stand up, get a bit of height on him.
Just take your time, mate. Good goer.
They've got some go in them, haven't they?
Yeah. Don't go too hard on him. Nice.
Hey. Well, it's definitely worth throwing that burley in that little corner. We've been fishing for bass down there for about an hour. A few small fish, a lot of fun. We've come back in, first bait in the water. Carp probably around the 2 to 3 kilo mark. So, a lot of fun.
Well, we're doing our job for the environment, man.
Yeah, that's what it's all about. A bit more bread.
He's a big fish. Oh, look at him go! Woo! Look at that guy. Oh, he's dragging the canoe round. It's a big fish.
You can see me ended up in the water here. That's better.
Yeah, she's going off, mate. This is great fishing. Unbelievable. Who would have thought carp fishing would have been this much fun? Mate, he must be a monster, this thing.
I haven't seen him yet.
Yeah, I haven't seen him. He's got plenty of go in him. There he is. I'm getting that excited. I've got an oar in one hand. I'll just hit him on the head when he comes up, should I?
And then
Oh, look at this fella. Mate, he's a monster. On a little bit of stale bread.
look at that one.
There's another scourge that we've gotten rid of.
The European carp originated in China, spreading into Asia and Europe. The introduction into many countries have helped make the carp the most widely distributed freshwater fish in the world. They are extensively farmed in Europe, Asia and the Middle East, and are a popular angling fish in Europe. However, in North America, Canada and Australia, carp are considered a significant pest. Carp are usually found in still or slow-flowing waters at low altitudes, especially in areas where there's abundance of aquatic vegetation. They are also found in brackish low reaches of some rivers and coastal lakes. They are capable of tolerating a wide range of environmental conditions. They have a greater tolerance to low oxygen levels, pollutants, than most native fish. In Australia, carp occur in the Murray-Darling system, up in here in Queensland, down in through New South Wales, the whole central area of New South Wales, right out towards the coast, most of Victoria, and up into South Australia. And there's small numbers in Tasmania and over here in Perth as well. The European carp can grow quite large, so for anglers they're a lot of fun, even though they're a pest. Many anglers enjoy catching carp. Okay, the simple rig we're going to use for carp is a nice light thread line, probably 3 to 6 kilo, because carp do get large. We're using a simple bubble float down to a number 1 hook. Now you can add a little bit of split shot in there if you want to, but I find I don't really need to in these still pools that we do fish for carp. The beauty of these little floats, you can just move them along, tuck the line in underneath, so simple, and adjust your depth, really easy. And to that we just pop some corn kernels on. Carp love corn. we've found, and we just tuck them on, nice and easy. Just a few. Like that. Corn and bread as a burley, and you're ready to fish for carp. What species of fish will it be next week? Tune in and please subscribe. Cheers, guys.